Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let y equals y of x be the solution of differential equation this. So, first, this y is the solution of differential equation means you have to solve this differential equation. Okay, then with this equals to this means what? This means they have given you that your curve y of x is satisfying 0 comma 0 means your curve is passing through origin. So if it passes through origin, you can find out the value of arbitrary constant c. Okay, this means if you will be solving this differential equation, you will be having some integration constant c, and you will get rid of that integration constant by using this idea, because your curve is passing through 0 comma 0, so it will satisfy there. Then later we have this situation means, do you remember that we used to write y of x? So who is this? This is x. So this is input. So if you'll give this as input, you will have this as output. Means this is your y, this is your x. So your curve is passing through again this point, and then you have to find out the value of alpha. I hope the idea is clear. Now let's try to solve this differential equation. So we got log dy by dx, okay, base is e, equals 3x plus 4y. Now, so we have to solve this differential equation first. So how we will solve? Try to understand. As you know that right now we guys have studied variable separable method. So you can say that, sir, we can apply variable separable method because you are going in a flow, but don't do that. Just try to create some pattern. Then only decide whether it is applicable or not. So what you have to do, you have to segregate x things and y things together and together. Okay, so what I will do, I will apply e on both sides. So we are having dy by dx equals e power 3x plus 4y. Okay, now I can write down this thing as e power 3x into e power 4y. Now look at this, we have segregated x and y together and together. So now what we will do, we will keep y thing on one side, means you have segregated x and y things, no? So this means variable separable is applicable over here. Now what we have to do, you have to segregate x thing on one side, y thing on the other side. So we have dy by dx e power 4y equals e power 3x dx. Correct? You can also update this situation by writing e power minus 4y dy. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to integrate both the things. So if we will integrate first part in terms of y, second part in terms of x, we will get our solution of this curve. So e power x is e power x, so e power minus 4y, integration is this, but you have to divide by the coefficient of the leading coefficient, means minus 4. Okay, so this is the integration of LHS. Now on RHS we are having e power 3x, we have to divide by coefficient of x. Okay, plus integration constant c. Now you got this situation. Okay, so you have solved your differential equation. Now your curve is passing through the point 0 comma 0. Okay, so it will satisfy this situation, then only you can find out the value of integration constant c. Now to find value of c, we will use this situation, means 0 comma 0. As the curve satisfies 0 comma 0, so it will pass through 0 comma 0. So we will be having, if you'll put y as 0, this thing will become e power 0. E power 0 is 1. So we have minus of 1 by 4, and then this thing will become, again e power 0 will become 1. So it will become minus of 1 by 3 equals to c. Okay, now simplify things. So we got 12 minus 3 minus 4. So value of c becomes what? Minus of 7 by 12. So we got our value of that constant c, arbitrary constant. Now our curve will become what? This. So your curve will become like, I'll send c to this side, means we will update this equation. Okay, so we have e power minus of 4y by 4, means I have sent this element that side. Okay, so it will become plus, and then e power 3x by 3, and I will send c to this side, so it will become 7 by 12. So this is our curve. Okay, now we got our curve. Now they are saying that if this equals to this, means our curve is satisfying this point as well, means x coordinate is this and y coordinate is this. So since it sorry it is it passes through what was that, minus of 2 by 3 log 2, minus of 2 by 3 log 2, comma alpha log 2, alpha log 2. So we have to find out the value of alpha. So if it passes through this point, it will satisfy this point. Okay, so we will substitute there. So in place of x this, in place of y we will use this. So we got e power minus 4, this is y, alpha log 2. Okay, let's substitute, later we will calculate. Now plus e power 3, and then we have x minus 2 by 3 log 2 by 3 equals 7 by 12. Okay, now look at this. You know that this thing is in the coefficient, so I'll substitute it on the power of argument. So we will be having e power log 2 to the power minus 4 alpha by 4. We will do the same with this element. So we have e power log 2 to the power minus 2 by 3 equals 17 by 12. Now you know that the base of the log and this thing is same, so you can write this as the result. So we have 2 to the power minus of 4 alpha by 4 plus 2 to the power minus 2 by 3 equals 7 by 12. Now you have to simplify things to get the required result. Okay, so let's do it. So we have 2 to the power minus 4 alpha by 4 plus this thing will become what, 1 by 2 ka square, so it will become 12 है ना. So 1 by 12, 7 by 12. So if you'll send this thing that side, it will become 6 by 12. 6 by 12 means what, 1 by 2. Okay, so we have 2 power minus 4 alpha by 4 equals 1 by 2. So this thing gone, we are left with 2 and 2 power minus 4 alpha. So base is same, so power will also be the same. So 4 alpha equals to 1, therefore alpha is equal to minus of 1 by 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. And also now you can apply whether variable separable method is applicable over here or not. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.